Bro, I don't know if you can see this shit, bro. This is the UK. And that is a fucking crab, yeah? Or something, cause the bird just got it out of the water, bro. Look. See Wembley Stadium there, look. That is a crab, G. And it's still alive, bro. Look. And it's still there, cause it's rough. Look, it's still moving about. Look, this is the scenario. Right, you fucking got it. Yeah, around here, bro. Oh, look, that crab, you had it.